AI Connect 2024 is already behind us. Experts from various industries got here to talk about usage of artificial intelligence. Check out how it went.
Is AI going to replace me? No, AI probably won't replace you, but someone who uses AI will.
Well, it's amazing today. So there is a lot of people interested in what is AI actually and how AI actually changing our business.
There's a lot happening in the AI space, but we all need to simplify it and look at what impact AI is having on people, on your pocket, and on the planet.
People say, what's next after AI? And my answer, unfortunately, is as simple as more AI.
So we need to make a first small steps to start using it, make it happen for a particular task in our company, then grow it up slightly to the next areas. So at the end, we're going to have a full mind-blowing functionalities done by AI.
I really enjoyed the event because of the variety of speakers and also the different perspectives that they offered. I really hope that this conference can only grow because it is timely, it is relevant, and participants know what they're talking about. They are domain experts. So I wish you guys all the best, that you'll grow this event into a bigger thing next year.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you had a wonderful and insightful time. See you soon!